Hey, what is happening? What is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a great day or night. And if you enjoy the video, consider subscribing. Sure. Let me show you how to create this Ansel Adam inspired landscape. Very easy. So I'll show you the behind the scenes and you can do it yourself. Very easy. So I've hidden everything. First things first I did was I added the landscape and I used the ant landscape. I just added a mountain, scaled it up to about here, then I textured it by using the Polyhaven add-on, and I used the snow texture number 2, this one, yeah. Okay. Then what I did was I went here into the ocean and I added number 8. And then what I did was I adjusted the wave scale just to get something a bit calmer, but you can do whatever you like. Then I added a plane right here underneath, and I added like a blue kind of tint, even though the image will be black and white in Ansel Adam style. I decided to just do it anyways. And then I added an HDRI from Polyhaven as well, and it was the sunflower add-on because it had nice clouds. This one here. And then this is what it looks like. So you can also, if I go here, the snow, you can always adjust it, make it darker, or you can even bring it up. I got it to about here. The image will be black and white, so, and that's how I did it. Pretty easy, pretty simple. And then obviously I just took it into Lightroom and edited it in monochrome, which is black and white. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the like button and I'll see you in the next.